Good morning, children. Welcome to biology session. Today our topic is osmosis. So daily we are dealing with osmosis but with different experiments. Today we are going to deal with potato. So we are observing osmosis in potato. Yes, before that, I would like to again discuss the definition of osmosis, children. A process by which molecules of a solvent tend to pass through a semi-permeable membrane from a less concentrated solution into a more concentrated one is known as osmosis. So see here, from less concentration to high concentration, how it is going in the figure, and in between you are seeing the barrier, that is nothing but semi-permeable membrane. Okay, it is nothing but cell membrane. Coming to the aim of the experiment. So aim of the experiment is to show osmosis in potato. So let's go with the materials required, children. So one raw potato, one boiled potato, two beakers or bowls, two pins, water, sharp knife and sugar. These are the materials. Coming to the procedure of this experiment, children. So take a raw potato and boiled potato, both. Peel off the skin. Cut cube shaped cups from them. So you make a cup like potato. You use the knife and make it a hollow. You remove all the part potato which is present inside and make like a cup, hollow cup. How the teacup will be, in that way you make the potato. Prepare a few amount of saturated solution before only. You know, saturated, it could not handle more solutes. That is saturated solution. Pour the sugar solution in a potato cup. Make the level of sugar solution by piercing the pin. So you pour the saturated sugar solution here like this and pierce a pin, because you should know till which level we have filled the sugar. Now pour a water in a beaker or bowl to half the height of the potato cup. The potato cup is like this. Only till here you pour the water. Only till here you pour the water. Ensure the potato cup does not flow or submerge in the water. See, imagine. So what happened? Leave the arrangement for half an hour. So potato cup is there. In the potato cup we have poured sugar, saturated sugar solution, and we have taken a beaker full of water. We kept the potato in this way. In this way, is it not? Wait, I will show you. See, this is the arrangement. So children, in the first one is a boiled potato, second one is a raw potato, last one we did not keep any solute inside the cup of the potato. So what you have to do, then you leave it for some time and observe how it absorbs and all. Okay, let's go with the observation. So the cells at the outermost layer absorb water from water in a tray through plasma membrane. There is no collection of water in boiled potato, children, because of the dead cells due to boiling. Due to boiling, the cells will be dead. So cells need to be alive for osmosis to take place. And there is no collection of water in the empty potato also, because there is no solute. There was a collection of water in raw potato when sugar is added to the potato cubes or salt, whatever it is. Okay. And if you do the experiment vice versa, for example, just see here, water is inside and sugar solution or salt solution is inside the cup of the potato. When you keep the sugar solution in the beaker and water in the potato, what happens? The water which is present in the potato will go away. That means where the sugar solution is there, from less concentration to high concentration it moves. If the sugar solution is inside the potato, water comes inside. If sugar solution is in the place of water, and then the what happens? Then the water which is present, and when you keep the water in the potato cup, water will come outside through the plasma membrane, which and because of the sugar solution which is present in the beaker, vice versa. Okay, so where the sugar solution or solutes are there the water goes from less concentration to high concentration. That is nothing but osmosis. So this is what exactly happens in roots, children. Plants keep a higher solute concentration in cells and stem, which is used to initiate the pressure in root hairs, which absorb water from the soil. Because it is high in solute, higher solute concentration, it will absorb water from the soil and all. This is what is happening. See here. Same osmosis principle it is. So coming to the result of the experiment, children, so we see that movement of water through membrane in osmosis from less solute concentrated to more solute concentration. Water moves towards sugar solution is called as osmosis. It's time for class task. Define what is osmosis, how osmosis works in plants, why there is no collection of water in boiled potato, what is the reason, give the reason. Write the procedure of this experiment very neatly, point wise you write. Okay, I hope you all understood the experiment, you understood what is osmosis, you understood whole class. You can write all these questions. Thank you.